Doctor Who, The Moonbase. To select audio navigation, press Enter now.
You say you searched all the base, every nook and cranny.
Yes.
No chance of anyone hiding anywhere.
None whatever.
Did your men search in here?
Well,
Did they?
well, there were always people in here, so they probably...
Did they search in here? No. There are some corners of the universe which have bred the most terrible things. Things which act against everything that we believe in. You say you searched all the... You say you searched all the... You say you searched all the base.
I don't know who you are, what you are, or where you came from. But you can get off the moon now.
There is something evil here, and we must stay.
Evil? Don't be daft.
Evil is what I meant.
The destruction of the world. The scientists dream of supreme power.
Just one small question. Why do you want to blow up the world?
To lift Atlantis from the ocean.
It will be magnificent.
After so long, the great day is at hand. We shall surprise the whole of mankind.
The professor is as mad as a hatter.
Mad, Zara?
Completely. Bang. No answer. Bang, bang, bang. Sad.
The two young men are at the mine. The girl is still at large. So is the doctor. But we'll find them. They cannot get away.
Nothing in the world can stop me now!
I don't know who you are, what you are, or where you came from.
You say you searched all the base, every nook and cranny. You say you searched all the base, every nook and